Hello and welcome, everyone. The human species is facing a global health crisis. And while the challenges we face seem impossible, we can overcome all of them with one universal process. The help process is the interaction of help each other. The help process creates love, unity, and synergy, which empowers and enables us to overcome the most complex and colossal challenges. Help each other is an actionable mantra that can engage every person in every nation to play their part in eradicating the virus. Let me explain. You and I are like a cell in the human body. And just as each cell interacts to heal the human body, we can help each other to cure this virus and heal the body of humanity. So every time we help each other, we are creating a wave of healing that flows outward on ever-expanding levels around our planet. In this way, help each other is the key interaction that is mobilizing people and resources on all levels of human existence. On the personal level, we are asking you to stay calm and help each other in your family, community, and in the workplace. On the corporate level, we are asking corporations to give huge amounts of money and resources to the World Health Organization. On the national level, we are asking your government to divert spending from non-essential projects to hospitals and helping the most vulnerable in your nation. On the international level, we are asking developed nations to help underdeveloped countries with aid and resources to mitigate the virus. Your aid will enable poor countries to maintain social and economic stability and help rebuild their nations post-pandemic. The fact is, collectively, we have all the know-how, resources, and the logistical capacity to eradicate this virus. But we must help each other. Helping each other is the only way we will mitigate the pandemic, develop vaccines, and distribute them worldwide. When I was a boy, my mother would recite an old Sanskrit saying, "Drop by drop, lakes are filled." As each raindrop plays its part in filling up a lake, each interaction of help plays its part in overcoming the pandemic. Just as Mahatma Gandhi freed India from the rule of tyranny with the practice of ahimsa, the help process will mobilize people to help each other and heal humanity. Every adversity is an opportunity for progress and prosperity. Let us consciously use this crisis to unite and overcome the pandemic, and then move forward in the spirit of cooperation to find cures for all major diseases. But is this phenomenal challenge really possible? Yes. When people help each other, the impossible becomes possible. Our future is in this moment of helping each other now. Mothers, fathers, sisters and brothers, help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling every one of you. Black, white, yellow and brown, help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling every one of you. Great and small, rich and poor, help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling every one of you. North, east, west and south, help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling you. Help each other, I am calling every one of you. To join the global Help Each Other movement, please go to myhelpnetwork.net.